So we're fishing for pre-spawn, just spawning smallmouth. There's a few beds. We're gonna stay away from the beds. We're not gonna fish on the bed. So we're looking for fish, mainly females, the bigger females, that are a little bit deeper. So what I'm gonna do is cast in toward the shallow, but not all the way into where the beds are. Let that fly sink. And when I first make the cast, I'm gonna tighten up my line, because sometimes bass will take the fly as it drops, and you can often see that line straighten. There'll be a little bit of curl in the line, and if you see those curls straighten, that means a bass is taking it on the drop. And then I'm gonna use fairly slow strips and give it plenty of time to drop in between. Don't worry about missing the strikes, because you will feel that tightness or see the line tighten. So I'm gonna start out with really slow strips with a lot of pause in between, see if that works. As with all other kinds of fishing, if you're not catching fish, then you need to switch up your retrieves, try something different. So I'm using an intermediate line and a weighted fly so that I can get deep if I need to, yet with that intermediate slow sinking line, if I want to go in and fish the shallows, I still am not hanging bottom every time. And what you want to do is make sure that you keep your rod tip low to the water. We got a little bit of wind today, and if you keep your rod tip low to the water, you're going to keep that fly totally in control. You're not going to have a lot of slack blowing around in the wind, and you're also going to be able to see and feel those strikes a lot better. There's a fish. So what we've been doing is switching out retrieves. That's the first thing you want to try, is to switch out your retrieves. Try slow, try fast, try erratic, try whatever. This one, I picked up my pace and picked up this pretty nice smallmouth by picking up the pace, which I wouldn't think would work this time of year, but it worked. Took a dragon tail jig fly. There she goes. Bye-bye.